Example 4. Find the value of 1 into 1 factorial, 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial, and so on up to n into n factorial. So this sum we can also write it as summation over r is equal to 1 to n r into r factorial. So which equals to, so we can write this as summation r is equal to 1 to n. So let us write r as r plus 1 minus 1 into r factorial. So which equals to summation over r is equal to 1 to n r plus 1 into r factorial minus 1 times of r factorial. So we can also write like this. So now r plus 1 into r factorial, which is nothing but, since we know n factorial, n plus 1 factorial is equal to n plus 1 into n factorial. So and r plus 1 into r factorial, we can write it as n plus 1 factorial. So that is summation r is equal to 1 to n r plus 1 factorial minus r factorial. So now let us apply r is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n and expand this. So we will get, let us take r is equal to 1 first, 1 plus 1 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus, when r is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus, when r is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 4 factorial minus 3 factorial, and so on up to, if r is equal to n, so we'll have n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So here we can cancel this. 3 factorial gets cancelled, 2 factorial and 2 factorial get cancelled, and 4 factorial will be cancelled with the next number, and so on. N factorial will be cancelled with the before term. So finally it's left with n plus 1 factorial minus 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So we can go with an answer summation over 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial and so on n into n factorial is equal to n plus 1 factorial minus 1. So we can also remember this as a property, summation r is equal to 1 to n r into r factorial is equal to n plus 1 factorial minus 1. Okay, right.